goes to KCF Technologies. KCF Technologies offers the industry's most comprehensive and scalable AI machine health platform, backed by over 2 decades of experience. With a global presence spanning 6 continents and serving more than 1,000 unique locations, KCF Technologies has saved over 90,000 hours of downtime across hundreds of thousands of assets worldwide. Their solution combines real-time AI analytics, machine learning, and smart diagnostic software to empower business to take the right actions at the right time, ensuring optimal machine performance, smarter alerts, faster responses, safer operations. With smart diagnostics powered by AI, partners are empowered to act long before failure strikes, reducing downtime, protecting assets, and improving safety. Congratulations! Now, KCF, let's hear from the winners!
Thank you. Thank you very much. On behalf of all of us at KCF Technologies, thank you. It is an honor to be here for the 39th anniversary of the International Maintenance Conference and to receive the award for Best AI Innovation. I want to thank Reliability Web, Terrence, and Mara, and this entire community. For nearly 4 decades, this event has represented the very best of our industry. People who care deeply about uptime and safety and innovation. At KCF, we pioneered the machine health category 25 years ago and have been working on this mission ever since to solve problems by building technology to elevate people. This award isn't about algorithms or technology for technology's sake. It's about the operators, the reliability leaders, the engineers, maintenance teams who keep our world running. They are the heartbeat of every plant, every shift, every production run. Our job and our privilege is to listen to them, to partner with them, and to build practical tools that make their work safer, easier, and more successful. AI is a powerful technology, but it only becomes innovation when it's applied in the field, when it prevents unplanned downtime, avoids failure, protects workers, and keeps operations stable. That's what our team wakes up every day excited to do. So tonight, I want to recognize our employees and our engineers who make this possible. Relentlessly building, improving, and innovating, and our customers who challenge us and push us and trust us, and this whole community who has embraced collaboration and partnership with us. Innovation is not a breakthrough moment, it's a journey. It's a journey of learning and listening. We're proud to be part of that journey with you and this whole community. So thank you for this recognition, thank you for your partnership, and thank you all for continuing to raise the bar of what's possible in manufacturing. We genuinely look forward to the next 25 years together. Thank you very much.
Thank you and congratulations. And now